If you're performing replacements in multiple nodes, perform them in one node at a time. This ensures that you don't endanger the data on your cluster. Lift the metal bail to free the power cord. Disconnect the power cord from the power supply. You might see LEDs on inside the node even after you have removed the power cord. That's because the node next to it is supplying redundant power. Press the orange retaining tab upward and pull the black handle to slide the power supply out of the node. Slide the new power supply unit into the open bay in the back of the node until you feel the unit click into place. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Rotate the metal bail down over the power cord to hold the cord in place.